Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun and surprisingly easy way to make viral stick figure animations using Canva. Whether you're just starting out or you've made some simple designs before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft animated scenes that really catch people's eyes. And you can even use these for social media, school projects, or just for fun. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, for many viral animations, you might want your characters to speak or have a story. Typically, folks start by making an audio script, often using AI tools like ChatGPT. If you wanted, you could hop over to ChatGPT, type in your prompt, for example, write a short, funny conversation between two stick figures, and get a script in seconds. From there, it's common to use AI voice generators like 11 Labs or similar platforms to actually create the audio. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to keep things visual. We'll focus purely on bringing those lively stick figures to life in Canva, so you can see just how creative you can get without needing any advanced audio work. So let's open up Canva and get started. I already have a blank page open, and you can use any size that fits your project, but the standard presentation or video canvas works great for animations. First things first, let's pick a background. Go over to the Elements tab on the left. This is where you can find just about anything to set the stage for your animation. For a classic look, I usually recommend either a simple white, gray, or black background because it really makes your stick figures pop. Just search for background in Elements and drag in whichever one feels right for your vibe. Don't be afraid to experiment here. A darker background looks really slick for dramatic scenes, while a lighter one feels more playful. Next comes the fun part, finding your stick figure characters. In the search bar up top, just type stick figure animation. Take a moment to scroll through what comes up. Canva has a surprisingly good selection, everything from simple classic stick people to more detailed poses and even animated GIF-style figures. Click on any character you like and drag them onto your canvas. Here, where you want to get creative, don't just settle for one. Bring in a few different poses so your animation can show movement or emotion. For example, you might choose one stick figure that's waving, another that's jumping, or maybe even a stick dog or cat for some extra personality. As you start placing your figures, think about how they interact with each other. Are they talking? Is one chasing the other? Maybe they're working together to achieve something silly or unexpected. Drag and resize each figure to help tell your story visually, just like building out a comic strip, frame by frame. If you want to take it a step further, you can add props, backgrounds, or even speech bubbles from Canva's elements to really set the scene. There's no right or wrong here, just play around and see what looks good to you. If at any point it feels overwhelming or your ideas aren't coming together quite right, don't worry. Building animations, especially with simple stick figures, is all about experimenting. Sometimes the best ideas happen when you're just having fun with it. And remember, you can always undo or move things around until you're happy. Once your stick figure scene is set, you can animate individual elements. Simply select a character or prop, then click Animate up top. Play around with different motion styles. Have a stick figure slide in, bounce, or even fade for dramatic effect. It's amazing how a few simple movements can bring a scene to life. And there you have it, a creative, eye-catching stick figure animation all in Canva and ready to share with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.